How to open a used bookstore. A legit $10,000 per month side income business. We all frown upon the idea of selling used books. But go to any major city in any part of the world and look around your local neighborhood downtown area. You will find not less than 3 to 5 major bookstores that specialize in selling used books. In some cities there are shopping malls that specialize only in used bookstores, and these shops are set up next to each other. It is very lucrative too in terms of making money. One can start this business on full-time basis or part-time. In the second-hand or used book selling business, the average time period needed to become firmly established, about 5 years. Once this 5 years is passed, one could achieve an annual income of $50,000 per year or more. But hold on, you won't have to wait this long, because we have a special surprise for you at the end of this video. Where to locate your stores? Look for a town or city with at least 100,000 population and with at least 2 or 3 colleges or universities. Choose a shop with modest rent around these colleges, but locate your store in a relatively high traffic area or near to regular bookstores. How to buy used books. There are wholesale used book suppliers. Perform a Google search and you'll find several wholesale used book suppliers. Request information from them and learn how to order used books from bookstores that specializes in used books. Also advertise locally in your local newspaper, classifieds, flyers, etc., that you would buy used books. Few pamphlets in your local libraries and college campuses bring in used books for you to buy and put in your stores. Sometimes when attics are cleaned, people would like to dispose of books lying in the attic for decades, or garage sales too. A local classified in your newspaper will get those books to your storefront for pennies. Inexpensive flyers inviting people in to exchange books, or to just browse, can be printed at your local quick print shop and handed out or placed under the windshields of cars in the larger shopping center parking lots. Advertising, special sales during holiday periods such as Christmas, Mother's Day and Father's Day are generally quite effective in bringing new customers into your store. Age-old manuscripts were acquired by this way by few used bookstores. Inside your bookstores, create a comfortable feeling and open invitation for browsers, price your stock fairly, concentrate on personal service, and let word-of-mouth advertising and time do the rest. Selling price for used books. Price your used books no more than 10% to 15% of the new price of a book. Special note, stay away from the hardcore sexually oriented books. The following type of books that sell very well. 1. Advancement, time management and people management. 2. Self-help and self-improvement manuals. You can find mail order, auto repair, carpentry, metalwork, home building, gardening, and business startup books relating to the culinary arts. 3. World War, history, aviation, sports, women's romance, science fiction, mysteries, and historical and old manuscripts. How much does it cost to start a used bookstore? Startup costs may be around $50,000. But, remember when I said I had a special surprise for you? How to open a used bookstore online. Introducing Book Profits Program. A brand new, simple, straightforward 6-figure side hustle that will generate you over $10,000 per month on average, just putting in 1 to 2 hours per day. 100% free starting today. Would you be interested? To sign up now or for more details, click the link in the description box below this video. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe.